Yo, what's up everybody? I just got these Taptez leather seats covers installed, and man, do they look great. So let's talk a little bit about them. So first thing you're going to notice about the leather seat covers are their appearance. They look identical to the original manufacturer's vegan leather. They feel great. The ones I got were the Taptez Nappa leather, and I cannot be more happy with them. The seats themselves have these perforation that allows it to still maintain the ability to heat up the seats. In my own experience, they work just fine. They do take a bit longer, but you gotta consider that now you're going through 2 layers of leather. This is not going to be an installation video, as there are tons out there on the internet do a way better job than I do, but I will talk a little bit about my own experience. I was able to install these seats within an hour or 2, and it wasn't that difficult. I think if you really take your time, you can come up with some great results. Most of the installation will require you to either tuck the covers themselves in between some plastics, use some velcro straps to adhere it to the trunk, or hold them in place with some elastic bands and plastic harnesses. Installing the rear door covers were a pain, as they're very difficult to get a perfect fit. As you can see, they appear a bit loose, and it's not a deal breaker, because unless you're really up close, you won't even notice them. In my case, they were like this for both doors. The side panels were very difficult to get on, but you know, what can you do? They don't look too bad, right? The manufacturer did a really good job packaging these up. My seats came perfectly fine, and I barely noticed any wrinkling on them. In my own experience, any wrinkles will tend to just kind of work themselves out over time. As for odor, I didn't notice any weird smells or anything. There are some things that might bother you though. The drink carrier now requires an extra step to get them open. But you know, in my case, it didn't really bother me, as I don't really use them that often anyway. Here's a footage of me taking the drink holders out. First off, you're going to need to unzip them on both sides. Once that's done, you can pull down the flap and pull the drink holders out themselves. Safety was another one of my concerns, but Taptez reached out to me and assured me that the AirBlast deployment system will safely deploy still. Overall, I'm very satisfied with my seat covers. They really accentuate the look of my car. I get a lot of comments, and a lot of people really like the look and feel of them. I hope you found this video useful and may help you make a decision whether or not to purchase them or not. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Hope you all stay safe. Peace.